Hey guys, it's Iconics from AppAddict.org. It's been a long time since my last video, but I'm back today just to demonstrate AppAddict 4. It's the newest version of our iOS application, done by the great and wonderful Zorro. So he's done another brilliant job. I'm sure you guys are all going to appreciate the app. So I'm going to demonstrate a few different versions today of the app and how it runs. So first we're going to look at the jailbreak version. Okay. So for this, guys, obviously you need to be jailbroken. Once you've done that, if you go to the AppAddict.org, click on the iOS tab at the top, it's going to take you to app.appaddict.org. Okay, if you're not jailbroken, there's information on that page on what to do. So you're going to want to click install, hit install again. That's going to directly install AppAddict to your desktop, well, your home screen, should I say. Okay, there we go, nice and simple. Yeah, so it's got that familiar look of AppAddict that you're used to, except it's got the new, nice, sleek iOS 7 styling. Okay, so it looks nice and flat, it's fresh and clean. Okay, so you've got all the normal sections. You've got a new section at the bottom there, which is your popular today. That's going to show you everything that's sort of trending on AppAddict, what people are downloading. Okay, so you've got your AppAddict ID, account settings, shows your premium status, you can enable direct installer, see your linked devices, etc. So you got your categories as standard, that's been in there since AppAddict 1. Okay, top downloads. Okay, so we've now got full screen screenshots. Okay, it's quite nice, as well as your normal sliding screenshots. Got obviously full app details, official app store ratings, information, description, etc. Still got your ability to track apps. Okay, so what that'll do is that will send you an email notification when there's an update to the app. Your search functionality again is standard. You got your app center. I think we've seen that in AppAddict 3. Okay, that's just the home for all your downloaded cracked apps. Settings. You get your silent install, remove metadata, auto delete IPA. iSignCloud, we'll move on to that later. Your clear image cache, cookies, etc. and version details. Your updates. I've not got many cracked apps installed on this device, so I don't currently have any updates, but if you did, they would appear in that list. Okay, let's install Flappy Bird, guys. So this is going to be a direct install demonstration. So I've got direct installer switched on and enabled, so I'm going to go through billing uploads this time, get my download link. As soon as that starts, it's going to ask you to install, and then it's going to go directly to your home screen. Okay, so just as it would from the App Store, guys. That's nice and simple, nice and quick. That's done. So there you go, guys. Don't go spending thousands of pounds on devices from eBay. Just come to AppAddict.org. Got Flappy Birds there ready for you. I'm just going to remove that for the next demonstration. Okay, so if I'm going to go into the settings now, I'm going to remove direct installer. So I do that from my AppAddict ID management. Okay, so I'm just going to disable direct installer. And now we will demonstrate a normal download, as I would say. Okay, so you notice the direct installer is removed from the links. So I'm just going to use the same one, billing uploads. Download, you see at the top there, Flappy Bird's download starts. So if we go into App Center and download, you see the current download and its progress. Okay, so that again, notification that it's finished. So if you go into the apps section of the App Center, you'll see Flappy Birds there. Okay, so a number of options. So you've got the share, so you can share via Apple's AirDrop. Okay, nice and handy feature. Also got your delete and install, so we're just going to install that. Okay, so slightly different way around of doing it, slightly longer. If you've got the direct installer, you don't need to worry about going in, pressing install again. Okay, so that's the advantage of your direct installer, guys. Okay, I just want to demonstrate as well this. I mean, there's massive speed improvements across the app. I mean, you've seen me just install this app. I mean, the pictures are just loading up instantaneously. I mean, there's just it's so fast and sleek. You know, there's no waiting about for pictures to load or anything. It's absolutely lightning fast, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate now on my 5C just how updates work, guys. So it's all automatically updated. You'll get a notification when there's an update. Just hit update, download your update in the background, prepare to install, exit. That's AppAddict app updated there. Well, I'll just open and show you the version, the current version now. There you go, 4.0.3. Okay, so updates are a breeze. No need to keep going into Cydia and checking for updates. Okay, so that's the jailbreak version. Okay, and now we'll look at on the iPad. Again, jailbreak version, guys. So again, the familiar look. She's got the iOS 7 styling. You've got all the same. Your top 3, top paid. You've got your popular today, new category there. You'll notice the 3-column set out, so you can see a lot more apps on the page. Again, you get your full screen screenshots, which look really nice on the iPad as well, guys. It's pretty much basically the same as everything is the same as in the iPhone app. There's a few slight differences. I'll just show you now the search. We've added a few filters on there for the iPad, so you can search via price, if it's free, paid, popularity, date submitted, etc. So it just helps narrowing down your searches a little bit. See there the list changed when I switched it from paid to free. There you go. So that's just a nice little added extra for AppAddict 4. Get your App Center, standard. So updates tab there as well. Okay, so you got your settings again, standard, nice little pop over there. Everything that you've got in the iPhone version. Categories again, of course, are standard. Again, nice little pop over there. So I'm just going to demonstrate a quick install just to show you that it does work on the iPad, guys. So again, we'll go with Flappy Bird, seems to be popular. Again, billion uploads. Go direct install on the iPad. It just works a treat. Everything just works. Like, you know, like Apple say, it just works. So that's Flappy Birds on the iPad. So guys, don't have a jailbreak, but you want AppAddict. Everybody wants AppAddict. Okay, we've got you back. iSignCloud. So this is basically AppAddict for non-jailbreak devices. Okay, so I've got iPhone 5 here, freshly installed 7.1. I'm just going to show you that. You know, there's no cheating. Okay, there you go, 7.1. There's no jailbreak for currently. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is head over to our friends at RegMyUDiD. So that's https regmyudid.com. Okay, iSignCloud is only available from RegMyUDiD and also our official resellers. So what you want to do is you're going to go to buy now. You're going to want the advanced iSignCloud package. Okay. Also with this, guys, just to mention, you will get immediate access to iOS 8. Okay, sign up today if you want to be a reseller. Reseller.RegMyUDiD.com. Okay, so let's demonstrate iSignCloud. So once you've gone and bought the package, you're going to get an email with a link, okay? Or you can either go to AppAddict, click on the iSignCloud tab. There'll be, click this link on your iDevice to start using iSignCloud. It's going to ask you to install AppAddict, okay? It's going to go off resign AppAddict. It's going to then ask you to install. There you go. That's installing AppAddict on your non-jailbroken device home screen. Okay, immediately as you enter, it's going to ask you for your UDiD. It's then going to ask to install the AA app authentication. Once you've installed this, it's going to take you back into AppAddict. Okay, iSignCloud done, and that is you set up for installing cracked applications on your non-jailbroken device. So again, I'm just going to demonstrate. We'll go with Flappy Birds. Getting billion uploads again. Keeping everything similar here, guys, so you can just see the differences in installing. Okay, there you go. Notification. That's in your App Center downloads. Okay, so the main key difference here with iSignCloud, instead of directly installing once it's downloaded, which you'll see in a moment, we're going to tell the app that we want to sign it via the iSignCloud. Okay, so what that's going to do is it's then going to re-upload the app to the iSignCloud server, do what it needs to do to the application to allow it to install on your device as seen now. And there you go. That's the cracked app installed on your non-jailbroken device. Okay, these, I know you guys have seen this before, so you probably remember the direct resign. That currently is in the works for version 4.1. Okay, that'll be ready for iOS 8 release indefinitely. So don't worry, that feature is not gone. It's just currently in the working for the new app. Okay, so you will see direct resign again. And basically, guys, direct resign just meant that you didn't have to download the app straight to your device. It would go to the resign server and then to yourselves. Okay, now a feature that's been long awaited and long asked for, iSignCloud with a jailbreak. Okay, so some of you guys buy this before the jailbreak comes out, you then jailbreak, but you still wanted to be able to use iSignCloud. So you've seen earlier the option in settings. So once I enable that, it's going to check that I do have eligibility for iSignCloud. Okay, which I do. And then again, we'll go with Flappy Birds. I'm just going to download that. It's going to go to my App Center again. And the difference is then it's going to ask to either install or sign via iSignCloud. Okay. At the moment, there isn't much benefit from this because it's sort of a longer way around of doing things. But once the direct resign is working, which will be shortly, this will be a great feature because I know you guys wanted this, because the direct resign sort of replaces direct installer, so you don't have the need for AppAddict Premium to get the direct install. So that is coming, guys, and it will be here. Anyway, that sort of brings me to the end of the video. I hope you like AppAddict 4. Again, Zorro's done a brilliant job. And yeah, rate, comment and subscribe as always, guys. Thank you.